Who's your Brad fams? Welcome back. Hope you guys are all doing well, enjoying life, smashing your projects as usual. Uncle Brad is a little bit sick today. I have been quite sick the last couple of weeks, hence the reason I haven't uploaded anything on here. Yeah, Christmas was hell, but we made it. And yeah, no, it was very crazy, guys. That was the day when I was at my worst, and yeah, was not good at all. That's number one, where I've been at. Number two, Merry Christmas to all of you guys. I hope you guys had a good time and you spent it with somebody that you love, or just somebody that you like spending time with as well, and you were just happy and just enjoyed the moment. I feel like that's what it really is all about. And the third thing, I've been trying so long to record this video because I have the new GoPro Hero 13 and I wanted to start doing POVs with it. But before I get into the more important videos that I have to upload over the next couple of weeks, I wanted to make sure that it is fine. So this one is kind of like a random one. I did some strangers on like one day, then a different day and a different one, because I wanted to go home every day and make sure the settings were fine and just improve some things every day as like a learning process, so you guys can be part of that with me as well. So far so good. I am shooting in log as well, 5.3K, just so you guys know. Sick camera. I'm very happy at the moment with the footage as well that has come out of it. And just a little bit to let you guys know as well where I've been. We're not in the highest spirits today, but yeah, we're feeling better. At least I'm like up today, and I really wanted to shoot and like get this video done. But yeah, I hope you guys are all doing well. We have a lot of cool content coming this month as well. I caught up with Blaze yesterday, and Blaze and I actually put up this tree together as well, and we have a video coming out together. If you guys don't know that, Blaze is my son, if you guys haven't seen that video already. But yeah, we put this tree up together while he helped me pick it from the market on a video call. And then we did the decorating together and did like a little Q&A and just speaking about next year and how this year has been. So I will be uploading that video very soon as well. I feel like, I don't know, am I making sense right now? I don't know if I'm making sense anymore. I feel like I'm not. I feel like my brain has stopped working, but let's get into the video. Let me know in the comments, guys, what you think of the new GoPro Hero 13, and are we gonna enjoy this setup for the POV videos that we do? Love you guys. Smash the like, subscribe. Let's get it into the video.
Hola, perdón. Me encanta tu estilo.
Ah, gracias.
Quería preguntar si podrías sacar una foto y si quieres te las paso también.
Vale.
¿Sí?
Sí.
¿Cómo te llamas?
Vanessa.
Vanessa Brad. ¿Eres de Barcelona? Sí.
Vale.
First stranger, primera. Oh, so nice. Sí, aguanta. Ajá, chula. Y mira un poco ahí. Yes, y probamos algo así con las manos ya, like como hace frío. Ajá, love it.
¿Para qué?
Es YouTube. Sí.
¿Pero eres fotógrafo?
Fotógrafo, sí. And de nuevo mirando por ahí. Ajá, son súper chulas. Ok, a la cámara. And una más se pone así con las gafas. Nice, mira.
Qué chula.
Sí, mola, ¿no? Estos
Sí.
también. Yes, me encantan. Y tenemos la vibra de Navidad. Si quieres, ¿tienes Instagram o algo así?
Sí. ¿Me has dicho que tu nombre era?
Brad.
Brad.
Ok, encantado.
Encantado,
Y
gracias.
adiós. Yay, first strange of the day.
To the mistletoe. Tell me one thing. Is there anything that you're missing?
Okay guys, I'm just gonna put on the camera now, start speaking in hope of somebody coming into the frame and catching our eye. Who are we feeling? Who are we feeling? Come on, strangers. We need to manifest them right now, because I'm trying to find some mad style and can't see it yet. But anyway, have a look, guys. It's super nice out here. Sun is kind of setting. We have our Apple store. We have Plaza de Catalunya. Smash the subscribe if you like this kind of content, and drop me a comment and let me know, where are we watching from? Where are we watching from? What are we thinking of the GoPro Hero 13? I also have the S24, and I'm planning on making a video with it because the camera is really good. So I want to make a video comparing this camera with my camera. Baby B, baby B. Bro, say what's up to the vlog.
What's up? Love it.
See, I'm like trying to find, say what's up. A stranger.
Yeah.
It's a stranger.
Get ready with me. I like it.
Maybe I should take a photo of you first, like while I'm here. Do you want to, while we wait? Okay, let's see, maybe like one here, I think. Huh? Just like in the middle when the cars come.
Yeah. Where do I stand?
Maybe here with the apple in the back.
Oh, the light is good.
So nice.
So many people.
It's packed. The rumble, like down there at the beach is gonna be crazy.
Yeah. I've never been. Is it good?
It's gonna be fun, yeah. Let's see.
This or no?
Можно вот туда. I can just go straight in the trash. No, it's good, it's good. But maybe like stand over here. Let's see, let's see.
Bitch, this is expensive.
Yeah, I feel like, yeah, try one like looking, yeah, like this into the sun up here. See. Yeah, stay like that. Okay guys, have a look. Let me know in the comments what you think.
Are you live?
We are live.
Huh?
Huh? Not live, not live. Imagine. Yeah, and then like looking up in this way. Stop chewing. Yeah. The classic no stop chewing, the gum. This guy's like always got gum, guys.
He's always ready.
Yeah, see that? Yeah, yes to the camera. Let's get with the cab going past. Live reactions, live reactions.
I like it. Nice. Oh wow.
Okay guys, while we wait and find another stranger, I'm gonna take a photo of my guest friends again. Yeah, we're gonna like end here. But be wait, not so. First like this, looking towards the camera. Jesus Christ, the people are ruthless, man. The guy in the wheelchair just like ran me over. Yeah, like this be from here. And looking straight ahead. Было бы классно, если не было бы место. Maybe go a little bit this way. Yeah, just like that. And then looking straight ahead. These are sick. I need one here too. Yeah.
Sorry.
See like that. See that. See into the camera. See, look how cool these look, man. The light here is just next level.
I love it. Fucking hell, this looks so good. Am I gonna get? No, right?
The ones on the beach
You're
were.
like, you're gonna get deleted.
If you want them, you can pay. No, the one. Huh?
What payment methods do you use?
Accept.
Right.
You have to do it like this. It's like you have to shoot me. I have to like cover the light.
Okay.
So the lens has got to be. You have to like hold it like this. Something. Or to the side.
Free lessons from Brad.
Yeah, maybe like walking towards me. And let's do one close, maybe sitting on the step. Thinking about all of the things you did last night. See, Cindy. Your moments before. Boom. Hey, sorry. I love your style. I'm a photographer and I was gonna ask if I could get a picture.
Okay,
Yeah, it's for YouTube.
sure.
Okay, nice. Where are you from?
From England.
Okay, and what's your name?
Shikemi.
Shakemi Brad. Brad.
Brad. Nice.
Everybody's like Brad. Okay, first ones. If you want to stand, yeah, maybe if you stand like just over here. Yeah. And then just show a little bit of the skin on your, like your thumbs or something too. Sick. Awesome. Yes, and looking up in this direction. Yes, and then do you have other sunnies as well?
Yeah.
Glasses? Yes, stay there. And I feel like let's try some. Do you mind like going over here just in the sun?
All right.
So, how long have you been here?
2 years.
Okay, nice.
What about you?
B, 7 years already. I'm from New Zealand, but
Oh wow, cool.
yeah, maybe one like this with the glasses too. You can like hold it like that. Yeah, it's perfect. Oh, sick. Stay there.
Like what do you like?
Yeah, stay there. Nice. And you know what we can try as well? Maybe with your hair, if you like look that way first and then turn around and then I get this like movement with your hair. Okay, ready? Yep. Nice again. Ah, shit, wait, one sec. Okay, ready? Again. Oh, yes, one more. One sec. Okay, cool. And now we'll try some without the glasses. And then standing just here by... I feel like, yeah, maybe with you just like this, standing with your back against this wall. And then, yeah, like this. We get some like editorial vibe.
Oh, cool. Very cool.
And B.
Very cool. Yeah. Also, what's the YouTube video about? Just like
Same, yeah, because I'm like filming the interaction. So I like film the...
you can go for it.
See, say hey. What's up? Okay guys, it's really windy out today and I wasn't gonna shoot, but I've quickly connected the GoPro because I just saw like a couple here, an old couple, from there, and they look super stylish. Let's see, I might get rejected, but... Hola, perdona. Os vi desde ahí. Tenía que conectar la cámara, pero me encanta vuestro estilo.
Ay,
Y
gracias.
quería preguntar si queréis una foto. Es gratis
No,
para...
pero ahora tenemos
Vale.
prisa.
Wow, she's recording a voice message. What we're gonna see? Hola, perdón. Perdón.
Un momento, que tengo la música.
Vale, perfecto.
Dime.
Me llamo Brad, soy fotógrafo.
Sí.
Y me encanta tu estilo. Quería preguntar si queréis una foto.
Ay, para mí
Y-
salgo de trabajar ahora mismo.
Pero te ves como súper cozy, acogedor.
vale,
Y
sí.
me gusta tu estilo. Si quieres...
Muchas
¿Sí?
gracias. Sí, vale, rápido, porque tengo un poco de prisa que tengo que hacer la mudanza.
Vale, ¿cómo te llamas?
María.
María, Brad.
Encantada.
Oh no, los cookies.
Sí,
Mira.
no te preocupes, es que llevo la bolsa.
¿Y quién tiene la mudanza? ¿Tú? ¿O una otra?
Tengo que hacer la mudanza y mañana me voy a París. Así
¿En
que
serio?
espero un día largo. Sí.
Damn.
Sí,
¿Y por qué te vas ahí?
Porque paso la Navidad allí con mi familia.
Ok.
Sí. Voy a
Sí.
dejar... ¿Dónde puedo dejar esto?
Sí, no sé, por aquí o... Sí.
Vale,
O si quieres lo aguanto yo.
Si me lo puedes sujetar,
Perfecto,
por
sí.
favor. Genial.
Si lo pongo aquí, pero me avisas, porque si no,
Sí, no te preocupes.
voy a casa con los cookies. No. ¿Y? ¿Has hecho una foto antes o...?
Sí,
Sí.
sí, trabajo en moda.
Ok, muy
Soy
bien.
estilista, redactora, hago de todo, así que...
Ok, guay. Sí. Sí. ¿Y de nuevo la cámara? Sí. Ujú. Ajá, yes, awesome. Sí, mirando para allá, de nuevo. Por lo menos no tenemos mucho tráfico.
Súper.
Aquí, creo que aquí, si ponte ahí al medio.
¿Ok?
Sí. Yes, ¿me mires? Ajá, yes. Okay, and one more with the smile. With the smile. I was like, got the smile. Yes. Mira.
Great. Súper. Muy, muy guays. Muy, muy chulas. Guay. Ah, me encanta esa. Caminando. Muy, muy
Oh,
guay.
está chula, sí.
Muy, muy chula.
Y estas aquí con la pared me
Súper
encanta.
guays. Ah, me encantan. Muy guays. Ah, esa me encantan. Muy, muy guays. Súper, te voy a seguir.
Yes.
Te sigo,
Mira,
ya
ve.
las veo.
Sí.
Perfecto.
¿De dónde eres en el sur?
Yo soy de Granada.
Ok, Granada. Está súper chulo, he estado.
La Almuñécar, con un pueblecito de la costa. Soy muy sureña y ahora el frío me está matando.
Sí, ¿no?
Así que nada, me alegro conocerte.
Pues,
un placer.
Sí, que tengas un buen día y felices fiestas.
Igualmente.
Adiós, chao.